Jambo, konnichiwa, hello, maganda hapon, mwadela mama na baba. Today I'm going to show you how to cook tilapia. Tilapia is freshwater fish, and it's eaten a lot in Tanzania because of the Lake Victoria. It's a freshwater lake, the biggest one in Africa and the second in the world after Bay. In Africa, especially Tanzania, we eat a lot of tilapia, and also in the Philippines they eat a lot of tilapia. So today I'm going to make it in a Tanzanian or Philippine style, but I'm going to eat it in a Tanzanian style, which means I'm gonna eat it with kachumbari. Let me heat the oil and I'll show you what's. Now let's start frying. Let's start frying the tilapia. It's a deep fry. So I'm going to cover the tilapia for it to fry well. So I'm gonna cover. And while we are waiting for the tilapia to fry, to cook well, I'm going to show you how to make. I have already cut the onions, so put the onions in the bowl. After that, start cutting the tomatoes. This is how to cut the tomatoes. This way, and this way. Then this way. Okay, like that. And add the chili. Add the chili. And then add some lemon. Will be enough. I'm going to use soy sauce. Soy sauce. Then mix it. So now the kachumbari is ready. As you can see, it's ready. We are going to turn the tilapia onto the other side. Now the tilapia is ready. We turn the fire off, and take the tilapia out. It looks good. It looks really good. And the other piece. Wow. Now it's time to eat tilapia with kachumbari. So this is how to eat tilapia with kachumbari. This way. Kachumbari. this way. Huh? I know. Maybe you are used. Please try this way. Kachumbari and tilapia. So good. Ooh. So after watching this, please subscribe to my channel, share it, and comment, and see you in my next video. It's Masunga John, your man. Bye. Paalam. Ciao. Kwaheri.